Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that has been released on Metro by T-Mobile. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. But before, let me tell you about our sponsors for this today's video. It's going to be, of course, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Metro, Boost, Cricket, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. It's totally free. We'll find you the best coupon code to save you money. Like I said, use my link in the description below. Will help out the channel. And if you want to make some money, you can check out the stock market via Robinhood in the description below as well. So thank you. All right, guys. So let's get into the fun part. Of course, now let's talk about what phone I'm talking about. Is it great? The specs, the price, and what it has to offer versus other phones. So if you go to Metro by T-Mobile's website, this is where I'm at. If you just scroll down a little bit, you will see this offer. And there it is, guys. So OnePlus is now at Metro. So I know T-Mobile has had the OnePlus series, but now Metro actually has, I would say, the more budget-friendly, cheaper one, even though OnePlus has always been the flagship killer, but now they're getting really expensive, up to like $800, which is, it's kind of getting up there to the same price as flagship phones. So it's not really a killer anymore. Now OnePlus, this is the OnePlus Nord N10, and then the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. So there's two different models, of course, the N100 and then the 5G model. So if you guys don't know what OnePlus is, they are actually a great Android company. The whole thing was back in the day, like I said, they were called the flagship killers because they were priced way cheaper than these $1,000 phones. You could get them for $500 to $600 back then. Now with the new ones, like I said, they're getting pretty expensive. So, but let's read up on it. It says OnePlus is now at Metro. Get premium features and performance with a free OnePlus Nord N10 5G or Nord N100 when you switch. So wow, let's go ahead and check this out. So it says find out more. So here it is. Like I said, OnePlus is now at Metro. It says with the OnePlus N100 and N10 5G, get premium features and performance on America's largest 5G network. So of course we can shop for either the Nord, I hope that's correct, Nord N10 5G or the Nord N100. So it says limited time offer while supplies last with applicable taxes and activation fees restrictions apply. So let's look at some quick features. This is, of course, what a lot of people want, 5G. So people are probably going to want to get the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. So let's look at some quick specs on this, guys. So featuring a Warp Charge 30T. Wow. That's pretty good, honestly. 5G ready, of course. And now this doesn't have a 60 or 120 hertz. It's kind of in the middle, which is a little weird. I've never really seen much phones with a 90 hertz smooth display. They're probably saving the 120 hertz for their flagship ones like the AT&T and all that stuff. Quad camera setup. So as you can see, it does have 4 cameras there. 6 gigabytes of RAM, which is not bad at all. 128 gigabytes of storage. And of course, it is dual stereo speakers. Whoa, that's pretty nice. So it says a full day's power in 30 minutes, guys. This is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G is powered by Warp Charge 30T, which delivers a day's power in 30 minutes. Wow. It does have a massive 4,300 milliamp battery. You can do more with the phone and spend less time charging. Like I said, guys, I have the iPhone 12 Plus, and let me tell you that fast charging changes everything up. Of course, there's 90 hertz. 90 hertz, if you know, that's the refresh rate on the display, so it's a lot smoother. Like I said, it's 100. I've seen 120 hertz. I've not seen 90. Of course, it'd probably be a little better than the 60, but it says play it smooth. The N10 5G display refreshes 50% faster than standard 60 hertz displays, making it more responsive and smoother. Swipe and scroll with an upgraded viewing experience on the new N10 5G. Basically, when you're scrolling like through the settings or your timeline on Facebook or Instagram, it just looks a lot smoother to the eye. And that's what a lot of people like. I like 120 hertz, but for this price, I mean, it's kind of hard not to get this phone, Now it says introducing, this is going to be the Nord N10. So wow, this phone has different specs. This one actually has a bigger battery. I'm guessing this is a cheaper version. It's 5,000 milliamp battery. Wow. Versus the 5G model has a 4,300 milliamp battery. This only has 4 gigs of RAM. So remember, the 5G variant has 6. This has a 64 gigabyte storage. I believe this one has 128 gigabytes. This does have a 6.52 inch screen, dual speakers, and triple camera. So as you can see, this is a little bit more dumbed down or spec down a little bit more than, of course, the bigger brother, which is a 5G N10, which is still not bad. I mean, it does have a huge battery, so that's what a lot of people are gonna like. Overall, I think it's decent, but I mean, that 5G is, it's the one to go with. Says large screen, large entertainment. Life is too short for small screens. Of course, both these phones have a really big screen, with the N100 having that 6.52 inch display. And then some basically different things. Uncompromised value, unrestrained power. Of course, the N10 5G is a powerhouse with that large 4,300 milliamp battery, the 90 hertz display, and of course that fast charging. It says never settle. That's their whole logo or slogan, never settle. Because like I said, back when Android phones first started, if you wanted a real good phone, you had to go with a flagship phone that was running, $800 to $1,000. And these were the first. I remember OnePlus was the first kind of manufacturer that was like, you know what, we can make it cheaper and better. Yeah, they're probably cheaped out on a couple things, but guys, overall, the phone was crazy good. And then, of course, 5G, with T-Mobile's 5G, it is the biggest 5G coverage in the United States, which is really good because T-Mobile's coverage has not been the best, but 5G has expanded that, and I kind of want to try it out. So maybe I'll go ahead and buy this phone later on and check it out. So who knows? We'll see. Of course, you can discover T-Mobile's coverage to make sure they are getting your cover in your area. Let's look at the pricing. So this is the Nord N10 5G. This is the 5G variant. As you can see, there are some things there. So it's $300, but you will be able to get it free when you switch and play. You'll pay the taxes and an activation fee. Plus, you'll have to get a plan with them as well, which is not bad at all. Like I said, it's pretty good. I might have to switch over and try this phone out and try out their 5G network. Now let's go ahead and check out the Nord N10, which if you're getting that one for free, I don't know why. I mean, look at that. Why would you get this phone if for the same price? Yeah, it's $180 compared to the other one, which I think was $300. But if you're switching and getting it for free, I would not recommend you get this phone. Go with the 5G variant, which is a lot better either way. So, yeah, that's my 2 cents on this, guys. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good phone, or will you be picking it up? Do you want me to go ahead and pick it up and just see what it has? There's some other specs there. Like this one has a Snapdragon 460, which is a little low, but let's check out what the N10 has. This one has, there you go, a 690 Snapdragon. So look at that, better processor. Of course, like I said, it's more expensive, but with a free promotion, man, go ahead and jump on this thing. You have to find your local store and make sure they have them in stock. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.